Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Lego Curse Satan, a Lego Beyblade, and after the review I might do some test battles and test launches. So let's get on with the review. So here are all the parts for Lego Curse Satan. First we'll start off with the chip. The chip is a nice yellow and green-ish color. This is the chip core. Nothing much, just a 2x4 for the chip. And yeah, let's move on to the layer. So for the layer, it's a pretty big layer. And I know the actual Curse Satan has 5 rollers. But on Lego, you can only add 4, and I couldn't find my roller pieces, so I only added 2 rollers. And the rollers actually work. And I also added the rollers on the bottom, so the rollers are more effective, I guess. And nothing much here, so we can move on. Next is the frame. It's just a ring with tiles on the top. I made it blue because the universe driver is blue, but I didn't have too many blue pieces for the tip, so I made the frame blue. Next is the chassis. The chassis is a 8x8 and some black and gray. I couldn't find my gray chassis, so I used the white one. It has some tiles and some teeth over here. And yeah, this is the chassis. Next is the tip. So this tip can actually free spin. As you can see here, it does free spin. And if you want, it can do a Lucifer the End gimmick. Wait, it's hard to pop out. The Lucifer the End gimmick, but it's not really supposed to be on it, so I don't use it. And let's put it together. So first you just put the chip in. Okay, you can see how it is down here. Then you put in the chassis. The rollers just stick out like that. Next, you put the frame on the tip like this. Oh, my frame just broke. Yeah, the frame can be fragile sometimes. You put the frame and you just attach it on. I don't know why it's not clicking in. Wait, oops. Yeah, you put it upside down and then do it. And the frame can free spin. So this is attack mode, and this is the defense mode. It's a pretty cool looking bay if you ask me. Okay, let's move on to the test launches. So this is my cardboard stadium I made. I made it today, my stadium, and it's pretty big. It's not too big in the camera view, but if I make it a little bit like back the camera, you could see how big it is, a little. Okay, let's do some test launches. It's a pretty cool looking bay if you ask me. It has trouble going inside a little bit of the stadium, but it's not too bad. Okay, let's do another test launch. It has hard hits for sure. Oh, it just hit the camera. But it does lose stamina pretty fast. Okay, let's move on to the test battles. So, this is Curse Satan's competitor, Vivron, with a disc 9, frame axe, and tip Zeus. So let's get on with the battle. Hard hits from Zeus. Hard hits from Curse Satan. I think, yep. Curse Satan took the win. Let's do another one. Vivron took the win. Match to see who wins. Oh no, my launcher just came off on my bay. Oh, well, it's okay. It's not affecting the bay too much. Vivron might take the win. He has more stamina right now. Yep, Vivron took the win. So, that's it for today's video. Lego Curse Satan. In the next video, I'm planning on posting Venom Diablo's tutorial and review or Curse Satan review. Subscribe and like the video if you like my content. So, until next time, bye!